cloudy morning. I don't know what that's gonna turn into, but because you can never tell here. Could be cloudy now, raining, sunny in a little while. It's really unpredictable. But I got plenty for everybody to do, so doesn't matter really.
Well, this is the building I got the windows for. So the guys are finishing up something else. Then they're going to start putting the windows into these two buildings. This one here is the spa. That one over there is the gym. This is going to be redone today.
I don't know. You can never tell. You're going to get rain. Maybe, maybe not, but there's only one guy that would impact, and I'll have to just put him someplace else. Watercolor today. It's just beautiful. This afternoon, I've got to, hopefully, maybe, we'll see, get to the bank because, technically speaking, my debit card is no longer operational, and there's another one waiting for me at the bank. But I've got to actually stop by. I tried to have Sid do it, but they wouldn't give it to her because she's not me. So I've got to head up to the bank to get that done, hopefully. But I don't need it today, so we'll see.
You got it all dull today?
That's the next one.
That's a different one. Okay.
That's daddy one.
Okay.
He give me sharpened one. I try to make him. Well, after I knock off, I can't do nothing on that. I try to give him that now.
I got my new debit card, relatively painless. So now I don't have to worry about that. And amazingly, there was like nobody in the bank. This is unheard of. So I don't know, RBC went to a more digital type thing, so you don't have to go in to make your deposits and more electronic stuff. So I guess maybe it's having an effect. Either that or nobody's got any money. Just stopped at home. I needed to get, I have an electric impact driver, you know, a big one with nuts like you'd use for a car. And it works really good if you've got to put a big bolt in instead of. So I just stopped at home to get those. I don't know, this guy's got a funny look, but whatever. We'll either get it done tonight or tomorrow morning. So at least I'll have it. It's in my thought process because there's only like 10 bolts that have to go in, but I keep forgetting about that. And I don't like putting things like that off because it gets put off, and you know how it goes. Well, I pretty much got everything I wanted done. The windows, there could be another change in place coming up, but that's yet to be seen. I've got to look through the pictures. We're taking out, remember that concrete wall? Yeah, well, there's a couple other sections that may need to go too because I just was talking with the owner, and he said, well, maybe we'll do 2 windows over there. And I said, oh, okay. I just don't know where the concrete columns, posts that I put in are, because the walls are finished. Oh, well, could we still do it? And I said, well, yeah, we still can do it. I'd have to just make appropriate changes, because if there's a column in the way, then that column that used to go all the way down that supports the belt, I've got to cut across and put a new beam in to carry that weight and spread it sideways. So, and I said, I don't even know what that's going to cost. So, I don't know. We're going to have to wait and see on that. But if that's what he wants to do, oh, and that's because we ended up with some extra windows, because remember yesterday they sent the wrong windows kind of thing. So, not the wrong windows, but the wrong windows compared to the one we had. So that's going to be a soon to be determined, I guess.